Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change address on Apple Maps. And let's get started by open Apple Maps application. So right here we have preset with the places, and we need to remove them firstly to change the address. Right now I have home or work. If I press and hold on it and click at the edit details, we have address right here, but I click on it, nothing changed. I cannot remove it or write new address. The same if I press and hold. I can change the type, I can change the name, but I cannot change address. It's the same with marked location. So right here I have one, I click on it, edit details, and again nothing. If I click on it, let's say on home, I have direction and I cannot change address right here, only copy it. So to remove it, move to the click at the profile icon at the right side and move to the places. Then saved places, or you can find your home location right here. At this line you can click at the three dots and then delete from places, or saved places, and right here three dots, delete from places, and delete. After that you will have it will ask you to add your home address, so we can click on it and we can write new one. Now I have this address, so again I can change the name or type. After that click at the check mark and now we have this new home. If you want to change address for marked location, so I recommend it to also remove it and then just pin it again. So let's do this. Press and hold, unpin, and then I can press and hold on it and just create new location. Scroll down and pin. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.